Today I'm going to be showing you how to work the single crochet in the front loops only, which produces this really pretty horizontal bar effect to your work. To begin, pop a slip knot onto your hook. Now there's no pattern multiple to worry about. You simply want to make your chains be as wide as you want your project to be. For this tutorial, I'm going to do a really small sample, so I'm going to go ahead and chain 7. Once you have the desired amount of chains, we're going to work into the second chain from your hook. Now this loop on the hook doesn't count as anything. You only want to count these fully formed chains hanging down below. 1, 2. And into the second chain, work a single crochet stitch. Then work a single crochet into each of your remaining chains, all the way back down to your slip knot. Once you reach the end of the row, to move up, we're going to chain 1 and then turn your work. Now normally when working a crochet stitch, you insert your hook underneath both loops of the stitch from the row below, like this. So you have your front loop and the back loop on your hook. Now to work in the front loops only, the front loops are the ones that are always facing you. No matter if you've turned your work, it will always be the loop that is facing you as you work your stitches. So we're going to work into this front loop only and ignore this back loop entirely. So pop your hook underneath the front loop only of the stitch from the row below and work your single crochet as normal. Now it will look like it's pulling up your loop. Don't worry about that. We want to leave this back loop unworked, and that's what forms that pretty little horizontal ridge. So then move on to your next stitch. Identify the front loop, which is this one side of it here. Pop your hook underneath just the front loop and work your stitch. Keep doing this along the row. Find the front loop, then work your single crochet. Then repeat that row we just did again. Chain 1 and turn your work. You'll see that little horizontal bar. Those are the back loops that you left unworked. And again, we're going to work our single crochet stitches into the front loop only. These loops facing you. And then again, all you're going to do is chain 1, turn your work, and work all your stitches into the front loop only. Continue working into the front loops only, and when you're done, you will have this beautiful little ridge texture running through your work.